You'll need load carriers to use this accessory, and we recommend having another person assist you with installation. Lift the roof box onto the load carriers and open the roof box. Check position to ensure the roof box is as far back as possible without catching on the tailgate. Install the 4 quick grips so that they're positioned around the load carriers with the load carriers centered. Pull the quick grips together so that they meet the load carrier. Unlock the cover and open the box. Lock the quick grips by turning the knob clockwise until you hear a click. Evenly distribute cargo into the roof box. Grab the strap under the roof box cover and pull down to close. Lock the box, remove the key, and fold down the lock cover on the closure. Your roof box is now installed and ready to use.